The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with NEET Mentor Counseling and make your NEET PGMBBS Counsel dreams come true. Download the app now.
Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to see which states will require you to deposit security amount for the counseling and in which round you have to pay the counseling deposit and which are the open states. In one of the previous videos I had shared the details like for the state quota or like government colleges who are the eligible candidates, whether those who have done MBBS from there or those who have domiciled or any of them. Okay, so before we start with the video, our counseling slots are still available. Okay, so last few days, so if you have planned to join the counseling from NEET Mentor, you can dial us on 9319128677 or you can send us WhatsApp messages. You can avail the paid counseling from Android application or iOS application also. This is the process to download and install it, and you can purchase and do the payment from there as well. So Bihar state is an open state, and for the registration you just need to pay the registration charges, which is non-refundable and is minimal, and there is no security deposit. You need to do the registration in the first round itself, and last year the counseling happened in offline mode. Uttar Pradesh is also open state, but it requires you to deposit 2 lakhs in the round 1 itself. You can do fresh registration in round 2 and round 3 as well, and it's also open state. Himachal Pradesh doesn't require to deposit any security, and you can do registration in first or second or third round. Chhattisgarh from last year it was open state, and this year also it will be open state. In the first round it doesn't require you to deposit any security, but in the second round it will ask you to deposit security before you proceed for the choice filling. Uttarakhand, like Chhattisgarh, in first round it doesn't require you to deposit security, and first round is free exit round. In round 2 you have to deposit 2 lakhs of security. Except Uttar Pradesh, all other states where you have to pay any security deposit or you don't need to pay security deposit, the first round counseling is free exit. It means in case you get the seat in the first round, you can leave without any penalty. But in Uttar Pradesh you have to pay penalty of 2 lakhs in case you get the seat and leave it or don't join it. Rajasthan state will also ask you to pay 2 lakhs of security deposit. You can pay in first round, second round or third round whenever you want to register. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, there is no security deposit and you have to register in the first round itself. Pondicherry registration is closed and it didn't ask any security deposit, but once you want to go for upgradation or go for further counseling in second round, then it will ask 2 lakhs of security deposit. You must understand what is the reason behind paying security deposit or asking security deposit of 2 lakhs. In case they don't ask security deposit of 2 lakhs, then the candidates get the seat allotted in round 2 and still they leave it. Okay, but in case of security deposit they have to make sure that they leave the seat or they plan to leave the seat after allotment on the cost of 2 lakhs. Okay, so the candidate will be taking the counseling round 2 more seriously, and they will only go when they want to join it. Otherwise they should be ready to get 2 lakhs deposit forfeited. In Haryana also there is 2 lakhs of security deposit and you need to pay from round 1. Karnataka there is no security deposit, and in Maharashtra also no security deposit. West Bengal and Gujarat. In Madhya Pradesh and Punjab you have to pay the security deposit from round 2. In Tamil Nadu also you may need to pay, it's not clear as of now, maybe in round 1 or round 2. So these are the rules for paying security deposit and in which round and which are the open states. So in case you are going for states like Uttar Pradesh or Tamil Nadu and Haryana, okay, so these all 3 states are asking for security deposit, or you may go for one more state like Chhattisgarh. then these all 4 states are asking you to deposit security. So you have to plan in such a way that your money, so much of money, is not getting stuck for in terms of security. And keep an analysis on your probabilities, and then only apply like where you have the good chances to get the seat. So you don't need to apply in many states where security deposit is required, or you need to decide the options of selection of counseling wisely. Okay, so in this video, that's all from my side. And again, I'm reminding you that you can download our application and you can avail paid counseling guidance or directly contact us. And you can also purchase our NEET mentor portal access from the website. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.